Hey guys, how you doing? I hope you are doing well. This is Epson Workforce WF3820. I'm going to show you how to connect this printer to Wi-Fi network. If you select from this top, you will see Wi-Fi recommended. But what I noticed is I've put the password 3 times and it didn't connect. So what I want to do is now to connect this with hardwired and to the network router. So what you need to do is at the back here, so you will see LAN. Okay, so take the cable, go in, and it's in. And take this end of the cable to your network router. So this end of the cable go to your network router. Okay, and it's in. So go to the screen and select network. Select Wi-Fi network. Select change settings. Now select wireless router session, and it picked up. So you need to type the password. And select OK. Select Start. Setup complete. Select Close. So this printer now is connected to a network. So this printer is connected to a network. So what I did, just in case, if you try to put this password straight away without connecting the cable to the back of your router, it may not work. Take the cables here to the lines, then you connect it to your network router to any of the internet. So once you put it inside, then you select the network information and put the password so that it will recognize it. This is exactly how it works. What I want to do now is to show you how to connect this printer with a laptop. What you need to do is, first of all, depending on your country reside, you need to go to Epson website or epson.com. Then this is Epson United Kingdom. Okay, now the next thing you need to do is you need to go to support. Select support. Now you need to type the product name. This printer is Workforce 3820. So you need to select on it. Okay, and this is the printer here. Now the next thing you need to do is you need to select, can see product setup and drivers. You see Epson software updater, drivers, Epson universal print, and this is the product setup. Select download, open up the file. So double click the file. Epson web installer, select yes. Here we go. Now license agreement. Select next. Have you read and accept the license? Select yes. Okay, make sure the printer is turned on and the printer is turned on. Select next. So now what it's doing is downloading required software, downloading printer driver, now it's downloading fast utility. It will also show you the printer name WF3820. Installing scanner driver. Installing fax utility. Now checking the environment, and it will show you also, it picked up the network. Select your connection method and it found the printer WF3820, and also it show you the IP address and everything. Okay, you select on it and select next. Now installing setup is in progress. Please wait. Checking the environment. You also keep an eye. You can see license agreement is marked. Select option is marked. Connection is marked. So the next now is installation. So you see the process. Now the next thing is for you to tick all the stuff you want. Okay, you can see printer. Select the software to install, printer driver and utility. Okay. Fast utility, scanner utility, manual, Epson photo plus Epson scan smart, software updater, support utility, and Epson portal. Once you select all the features, okay, and you will see the ones that it takes here. If you are not happy, if there's any particular one like fast utility, if you are not using fast, you can remove the fast utility, okay, by double clicking it. Okay, once you select all this, then the next thing you need to do is it requires 300 MB, then select install. Epson Scan 2 OCQ is installing. Installing the manual. Epson Scan Smart. Now print test page. This is to show you that it's connected. This is test page. Congratulations, you have finished setting up your printer, Epson Connect solution. This is to show you that this printer now and laptop are connected together. And select next, you need to update your printer firmware. Now it's asking about admin password. So you open up the printer, then you will see the password here. So if you want to update the software, it will ask you, if you ask for the admin password, so you need to select the password and select OK. So once the update is complete, so the next is checking the system. The product is ready to use. Okay. Now the next is finish. So this printer now is connected. Okay, you can see it will show you this page. Okay, gallery, setup, smart device, and support. So but this printer now is connected. The only thing I want to let you know is if we ask for update, sometimes this update will take a long time, so I will skip it. Once you connect this printer to a network and connect all the connection and print out the test page, the printer is ready. So updating the update usually take a long time. This is something that I noticed, but I want you to be aware of this. Printer is connected with this laptop. Okay, thank you very much indeed, and stay blessed. Thank you.